If your classic Chevy or old shifter feels like sticky old plastic, you know exactly how much it ruins the interior vibe. This Zeoneko replacement promises to bring that new car feel back without breaking the bank. We're looking at the automatic transmission shift lever knob, specifically designed for those beloved 97-3 Malibus, the 405 Classics, and even the older Achievas and Cutlasses from the late 90s. This isn't some universal hack. This is a dedicated replacement, matching OEM specs like the 22,626,540 part number, ensuring a perfect fit. When you pull this out of the factory packaging, which, by the way, guarantees it's 100% new and never installed, the first thing you notice is the quality of the molding. For an aftermarket part from Zeoneko, the finish is surprisingly clean and feels robust. Installation is usually a quick job, and getting that solid, non-wobbly feel back in your hand is genuinely satisfying. It's a small component, just one item included, but the tactile feedback of a fresh knob completely changes the daily driving experience. If you've been dealing with a cracked, faded, or loose shifter, this is the simplest, most cost-effective upgrade you can make. It ensures the quality and performance are restored to factory standards. It's not a flashy turbo upgrade, but it's the kind of detail that makes your older vehicle feel respected again. Overall, if you need to refresh that crucial touchpoint in your older GM vehicle, this Zeoneko shift knob is an amazing, high-quality solution that delivers exactly what it promises: a perfect fit and a brand new feel.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.